Paano nga ba ginagawa ang square of trinomial? Tara't pag-usapan natin yan dito. Manood, makinig, mag-enjoy at matuto. What's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is YouMore PH. Andito na naman ang pabibo ninyong guro na punong-puno ng humor and willing to give you more. Narito ako para tulungan ka, natulungan ang sarili mong matuto sa pamamagitan ng math pinadali, math pinasaya, at math pina-exciting na mathematics lesson. Now, if you find this video helpful, please wag na wag mong kakalimutan na mag-subscribe and i-click ang notification bell para updated ka sa mga lessons natin dito sa YouMore PH. And also, please share this to your friends, classmates, tita, tito, ate, kuya, teachers, mama or papa who also needs this lesson. Alright? And without further ado, let's get to our discussion. Hi everyone! Welcome sa lesson natin ngayong araw. So for today, we're going to continue discussing about special product. And this is now part number 4. And our topic for today is about square of trinomial. Okay, so again, part number 4 na tayo ng special product. So if you want yung tatlo pang topics about special products, so I have it already. So yung una, square of a binomial. Yung pangalawa, multiplying sum and difference of two terms. Yung pangatlo, cube of a binomial. So ito na yung last one, square of a trinomial. So let's get this lesson started. Of course, the same with special products na mga nauna. So we'll be having conditions kung paano ginagamit yung trinomial or this specific na method. Tapos, kung ano yung pattern na susundin natin. And here it is. So, ayan, square by trinomial. So, ibig sabihin ng square by trinomial, dapat naka-squared, of course, kaya nga siya square. Naka-square dapat, and trinomial dapat yung nasa loob. Okay? Once we say trinomial, tatlong terms ang nasa loob. Okay? That's A, B, and C, tatlong terms. So, good yan. So, ayan. So, we have a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2ac plus 2bc. So, napakahaba naman. Yes, I agree. So, ito yung pinakamahaba na kailangan yung sauluhin for a special product. Pero kung papansinin ninyo, madali lang naman. Diba? Una, itong tatlong to, saan mo ito makakuha? Sa given. Square mo to, square mo to, square mo to. Diba? Ang dali lang naman sauluhin. Okay? Square mo to, square mo to, square mo to. Next, ito. Lahat naman may 2. Lahat yan constant na 2. Okay? Gagawin mo lang dyan. Ang una, ito ang magka-partner. Okay? Ang pangalawa, ito ang magka-partner. Ang pangatlo, ito ang magka-partner. Ganun lang. So, madali lang naman siyang sauluhin. Okay? So, again, square mo lang lahat. Tapos, maglagay ka ng plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Then, AB, AC, saka BC. Yung nakamultiply. Alright? So, gamitin na natin itong shortcut na ito. Kasi actually, kapag hindi ka gumamit ng shortcut na ganito, mas mahaba pa yan. Mas madami pa to. Totoong buhay, mas mahaba ang lalabas sa sagot natin. Okay? So, let's try to multiply the following. We have, ayan, A, B, and C. Pero before that, check muna natin kung applicable ba yung ating special product ngayon. So, check natin Naka-squared naman lahat. So, good yan. Tapos, check mo kung trinomial yung nasa loob. 1, 2, 3. So, check yung A. 1, 2, 3. Check yung B. 1, 2, 3. Check yung C. Okay? So, may 3 terms, tapos naka-squared lahat. So, good tayo. Proceed tayo for letter A. X plus Y plus 2 squared. So, pattern muna. So, if you are a beginner, kailangan i-master mo muna yung pattern. Kailangan mo munang mag-solve or sauluhin. Be familiarized with the pattern. So, we have A plus B plus C squared. Ang una, square mo to, square mo to, square mo to. Squared yan, plus squared nun, plus squared pa nung isa. Tapos, may 2 yan. AB. Tapos, i-partner mo yung AC ulit. 2AC, tapos i-partner mo yung BC, 2BC. Ayan. So, that's the pattern. So, kailangan sa ulo nyo yan para makapag-solve tayo ng mabilis ng ganito. Okay? So, let's bring it down, 2 squared. So, first thing to do, identify natin yung A, B, and C. Ang A is the first term, B is the second term, C is the last term. So, ito ang A, first, B is the second, C is the third or the last. Okay, so identify mo muna yung A, B, and C. Tapos, ipalit natin yan dito. Lahat ng A na makikita ko, gagawin kong X. Kasi siya yung value ng A dito. Lahat ng B na makikita natin dyan, papalitan ko ng Y. Okay? Tapos, lahat ng C na makita mo dito sa kabila, papalitan mo ng 2. Alright? So, let's do that. A squared muna. Tandaan, ganito ang gagawin kapag may exponent dun sa pattern. Kailangan naka-parenthesis yan, tapos yung exponent nasa labas. Alright, so ito yung format dito. Ito pa lang tayo. A squared. Dapat, naka-parenthesis, tapos squared ang nasa labas. Next yung A. Ang A dito is X. Pasok mo lang yung X sa loob. Substitution lang ang gagawin natin. Right, next, ito naman. Plus, since naka-squared ulit, ganito yan. So, parenthesis, tapos naka-squared. Pero yung B magiging Y. Kasi Y yung nasa given natin na B. Okay? Next, plus C squared. So, naka-squared ulit, parenthesis, squared. So, yung 2 is positive, kaya siya magiging positive to dito. Okay? Pinilitan lang natin yung ABC. Okay? Parang ganito din, yung ABC, XY2. Diba? XY2 naman dito. So, ganyan siya. Plus, yung 2 is constant, yung A magiging X. Yung B, again, para masundan niyo. Yung B magiging Y. So, nakamultiply lahat yan. Plus 2 ulit. Yung A dito, ito na tayo. Yung A is X. Yung C is 2. Okay, be careful sa pag-substitute. Plus 2. Yung B is Y. Yung C is 2. Be careful, tignang mabuti or i-double check lagi. Ayan. Lalo na dito sa part na to. Ito kasi madali lang yung tatlo. So yung A, pinalitan ko ng X. Yung B, pinalitan ko ng Y. Yung C, pinalitan ko ng 2. So good yan. Lahat naka-squared. So check tayo dyan. Ito naman, yung 2 nandun. Pero AB dapat yung magkatabi. XY. Tama. Next, AC dapat yung magkatabi. X2. X2. That's A and C. So correct. Y2. B and C. Ayan, B and C yung nasa dulo. So, good tayo. Now, isa-isayin natin lahat ng pag-multiply. So, let's start with X squared. Dito sa topic na to, kailangan master nyo yung laws of exponents tapos yung integers. Okay? So, para mas mabilis nyo makuha. X squared. So, kapag ganyan, hindi yan basta-basta diretsyong multiply. Sasabihin ng exponent, dapat mag-times ka sa sarili. Okay? Kasi squared siya, times sa sarili. Dalawang x dapat yung naka-times. Okay? Hindi yan basta 2 times x or x times 2. That's incorrect. Dapat ulitin mo yung base. Ulitin mo to. X times x. And loss of exponents, ipa-plus mo lang yon. Dalawa. Kapag naka-raise sa 1, so ipa-plus mo lang yon. Sir, wala pong exponent. Bakit po naging 2? Kapag walang nakalagay, that's automatically 1. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay? Sa loss of exponents, kapag same base, ipa-plus mo lang yung exponent. Let's go to y squared. So, y times y naman ito. Dalawang y. Kasi sabi ng exponent, dalawa ang nakumultiply. So, y times y squared naman ito. Sorry, that's y squared. So, 1 plus 1 ulit, y squared. So, y squared ang kasunod. We're done with this one, done with this one. Next, 2 squared tayo. So, hindi yan basta-basta 2 times 4. Although dito parang ganun din ang mangyayari, pero hindi. Ganito kasi yan. Itong 2 dapat, ita-times ko sa sarili niya. So, magiging siyang 2 times 2. Alright, dalawang beses na 2 ang lalabas. 2 times 2 is 4. So, plus 4. Next, let's have 2xy. So, since yung 2 is positive, so 2 times x times y. Ito madali lang. Nakita nyo, wala siyang walang number na iba. Tama? So, as is lang yung 2. May nakita ka bang x na pareho? Wala. May nakita ka bang y na pareho? Wala. Therefore, as is lang siya. Magiging siyang 2x, y. Okay? Hindi mo na siya gagalawin. Unless otherwise, nauna yung y sa x, babalik rin mo siya. Kasi dapat rule of the alphabet din tayo. Kung ano yung una sa alphabet, siya yung una sa term natin. Okay? Plus. So, magiging siyang 2 times x times 2. Tapos na tayo dito. Ito na yung pinag-uusapan natin. 2 times x times 2. So, since may dalawang number, ito times natin. 2 times 2 is 4. Tapos yung x, wala namang partner, so 4x na siya. Kopyahin mo lang yung x. So, we're done with this one. Next, ito naman. So, positive yung 2 times y times 2. So, may number na dalawa, times mo yan. 2 times 2 is 4. Yung y walang kinalaman, so kopya. Plus 4y. And this is now the final answer. Alright. So, ang haba naman po ng special product na yan. Yes. Pero believe me, kapag tinimes mo ito ng mano-mano, mas madami ka pa dyang iisipin. Alright? So, yan. That's for example number 1. Alright. Eto, so babanggitin ko na before we proceed doon sa may mga minus na or may mga negative na. So, doon sa first 3 natin na special product, di ba we don't consider, lalo na kapag we are substituting, we don't consider negative. Hindi natin lalagay yung negative dito sa loob ng substitution method natin. Pero dito, kailangan. Dito, kapag negative yung y, dapat negative talaga siya dyan. Kapag positive yung 2, dapat positive siya doon. Kapag negative yung x, dapat negative siya dito. Okay, tandaan niyan. At lang yung kakaiba dyan. Bakit? Diba? Kapag special product kasi, usually yung tatlong nauna, may established pattern na siya in terms of the sign. Ibig sabihin na consider na yung sign nung nabuo yung pattern. Ngayon naman, dito kasi, iisa lang yung pattern na ibinigay sa atin. Alright? And that is only for addition. E paano kung minus na to? E paano kung minus na yan? E paano kung minus lahat? Ayan. So, kaya, ang mangyayari dyan, you are going to still include the sign nung mga term dito sa loob. Okay? So, let's do that for our second example. Ayan, paano pag may minus na? Pero ito pa rin yung pattern. Di naman bababago yung pattern natin. Cube mo lang lahat. B squared plus C squared plus 2AB plus 2AC plus 2BC. Okay, so that's the pattern. So, hopefully, sa ulo nyo na. Or kung hindi pa, sa uluhin nyo pa, ulit-ulitin nyo para makuha ninyo yung pattern. Next. Kopyahin natin sa baba. 2y minus 3z squared. Identify mo yung a, b, and c. Ang a is the first term. B is the second term. C is the last term. Alright. Ang a natin is x. Ang b natin is 2y. Ang c natin ay negative 3z. Narinig? Ang c natin this time ay negative 3z. Again, the reason behind that is hindi na-establish yung pattern or hindi pa nakalagay yung pattern dito na negative yung c. Okay, kaya kailangan i-negative mo pa rin yung c when we substitute. Okay? Next. A squared. So, ganito yung pattern natin. Dapat yung squared nasa labas, tapos naka-parentheses. Ang a ay x. Okay? Pinalitan ko yung a ng x. Lahat ng a na makikita ko dyan, gagawin kong x. Lahat ng b na makikita natin dyan, gagawin natin 2y. Lahat ng c na makikita mo dyan, gagawin natin negative 3z. Next, let's proceed to b squared. So, ganito ulit. Yung b, anong value? 2y. So, plus c. Ayan, naka-squared siya. Ano ang c? Negative 3z. Plus 2ab. 2 times, ang a ay x, tapos ang b natin ay 2y. Plus 2ac. So, yung 2 constant yon. Yung a ay x ulit. Yung c ay negative 3z. Don't forget the sign. Don't forget the sign. Tandaan nyo yan. Next, plus 2, B is 2y, C is negative 3z. Okay, that's it. Diba ang haba na? Pero let's do that one by one. X squared. Dalawang x ang naka-times. X times x. Ganun yung i-analyze yung exponent ha. Dapat yung base, ito times ko ng dalawang beses. Kasi naka-squared siya. Kung 3 yan, 3x. Kung 4 yan, 4 na x. Kung 5 yan, 5x ang naka-multiply. Lots of exponents, plus mo lang yung exponent ng x saka ng x, dalawa. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2. So we have x squared. Next, we're done with this one. Ito naman, yung 2y squared. So that's 2y times 2y. Okay? Times mo to ng dalawang beses. 2 times 2 is 4. Y times y is y squared. Diba? 1 plus 1 yun. Kaya siya naging y squared. So, plus 4y squared. Next. So, let's solve muna yung negative 3z squared. Ito naman. So, dalawang beses yung negative 3z. Negative 3z times negative 3z. Mastery ng integers, what would you do or what would be the sign? Once na nagta-times ka ng same sign, positive. Very good. Negative 3 times negative 3, the answer is 9. Okay, positive yan. Kasi kapag same sign ang naka-times, tandaan, magiging positive lagi yung sagot. Next, z times z, z squared. Okay, pinag-plus lang natin yung 1 niya na exponent. So we have plus 9z squared. So since positive yan, dapat plus yung gitna natin. Kung negative yung naging sagot ko dito, dapat minus yan. Next, 2 times x times 2y. So yung number sa number, variable sa variable with the same base. 2 times 2 is 4. Yung x may kasame base ba siya? Wala. Yung y ganun din, wala din. So kopyahin mo lang yung dalawa. Okay, hindi kasi pwede magsama yung x saka yung y. Alright, kasi hindi sila parehong x saka parehong y. So magiging siyang plus 4xy. We're done with this one. Ito naman. Let's have 2 times x times negative 3z. Ngayon, 2 times negative 3, that is negative 6. When you are multiplying opposite sign, the answer is always negative. xz. So, hindi siya pareho, so kopyahin mo lang. That's negative 6xz. Okay? That's for the fifth term. Last term tayo. 2 times 2y times negative 3z. So, lahat ng numbers mo nakamultiply. 2 times 2 is 4 times negative 3. That is negative 12. Yung y walang kapareho, yung z walang kapareho. So, we have negative 12yz. And this is now the final answer. Tandaan nyo na. So, isa-isahin nyo yan para masolve ninyo yung hinahanap dito sa ating problem. Ganyan lang. So, dito careful ka lang sa pag-substitute ng value ng c kasi negative siya. Alright? Kung negative yan, dapat careful ka sa pag-substitute ng negative. Alright? So, that's for letter B. Let's have our last example. 4m squared minus n minus 7 squared. So, pattern tayo. So, a plus b plus c squared. Sabayan niyo sa sir. A squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2ac plus 2bc. Okay, so dapat sa ulo niyo yan. Next, bring down. 4m squared minus n minus 7 squared. Tapos, identify mo lang yung ABC. This is A, yung una. B, yung pangalawa. C, yung pangatlo. Yung A natin is 4m squared. Yung B is negative n. Listen carefully. Ang B is negative n. Ang C is negative 7. Okay? Bakit ulit? Kasi hindi pa na-establish yung pattern dito. Ito ay pattern only for addition. Pero paano kung may minus na? So, since hindi siya nakalagay, naka-indicate, kailangan mong i-consider yung mga signs nito. Okay? Let's have 1 by 1. So, a squared, ganito yung format niya. Yung a, ipasok mo lang sa loob. That's 4m squared. Okay? 4m squared. Common mistake dyan na pagkakamalan na ang square dito ay yung squared yung nasa labas. Kaya, ang technique dyan, lagyan mo ng squared sa labas para hindi ka na agad malilito. Okay? Next, plus. Naka-squared ulit. Negative n. Tandaan, negative yung n kasi negative yung nandyan. Plus, yung c ay naka-square din. That's negative 7. Okay? Again, c ay naka-square din, kaya negative 7 ang nasa loob. Plus, 2 times a, ang a is 4m squared. Tapos may ka-partner pa siyang b, which is negative n, times negative n. Plus 2 times a ulit, that's 4m squared. Alright, ito yun. Tapos times c. c is negative 7. Plus 2 ulit. Ang b is negative n. Tapos ang c is negative 7. Ayan. So, careful ka lang sa paglalagay ng negative sa kanong positive. Especially kapag may negative nang involved. Alright? Isa-isayin natin. So, dito tayo sa una. Yung 4m squared, tapos naka-squared pa. So, dalawang beses na 4m squared ito. Times 4m squared. So, hopefully, gets nyo na kung bakit nagdadalawa dahil sa exponent. Okay, kung tatlo yan, dapat tatlong beses. 4 times 4 is 16. M squared times M squared. M raised to 4. Ipa-plus mo lang yung exponent. So, you have 16M squared. Next. Negative N squared. So, paano to? Dalawang negative N. Alright? When we multiply same sign, the answer is positive. Dapat expect mo na positive yung lalabas. Di ba may exponent niya na 1? So, magiging siyang N squared. N times N, or negative N times negative N, that is positive N. Kaya siya positive dito. I-plus mo yung exponent niya, that is N. Yung exponent niya ay positive pa rin. Tandaan nyo yun, exponent niya ay positive pa rin naman. So, that is N squared. So, we have plus N squared. Next, negative 7 times negative 7. So, ayan. Isin ko lang. So, we have negative 7 squared. So, dalawang negative 7 ang naka-times. Ilan yon? 49. So, bakit positive? Same sign ang naka-multiply. So, we have plus 49. Actually, class dito, yung tatlong ito ay laging positive. Handaan nyo yan. Next, let's have this one. 2 4m squared times negative n. Times ito, hindi yan minus. So, number by number, tas variable by variable, kapag same ang base. 2 times 4 is 8. Okay? So, we have 8. Kaya lang, negative ito. Diba? Actually, yung negative n, may negative 1 yan dyan. Tama? Pero hindi na siya nalalagay. 2 times 4 is 8. Tas times sa negative, kaya siya negative 8. Okay, ulit. Parang ganito yan. I-take mo yung negative n na may 1. Ganito siya. Separate ko para mas magets ninyo. 2 times 4 times negative 1. Tinanggal ko lang lahat ng numbers. Ito kasi may negative 1 yan dyan, pero hindi na siya nalalagay. Ito ang isolve natin ngayon, para mas magets ninyo. Ano ang 2 times 4? 8. Bring down negative 1. 8 times negative 1, negative 8. Kaya negative 8 siya dyan. Okay? Gets. Alright. So, let's have yung last. M squared, wala naman siyang kapareho, saka yung n, okay na yan. So, yung n kasi dyan, hindi na natin ginawang negative kasi nga, ginamit na natin yun nung nag-times tayo ng mga number. Okay, kaya we have negative 8m squared n. So, minus na to, hindi na siya plus. Kasi minus yung naging sagot natin. 8m squared n. Let's do that here. 2 times 4m squared times negative 7. So, number, atong tatlo. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times negative 7, that's negative 56. Tapos yung m squared dito, m squared pa din. Wala siyang mababago. So we have negative 56 m squared. Alright? Ulit, 2 times 4 is 8, positive 8. Itinimes ko sa negative. So yung positive dinimes sa negative, negative dapat yung sagot. Kaya negative 56 siya. M squared is kinopya lang. Alright, so we're done with this one. Ito din, tapos na. Ito naman yung last. 2 times negative n times negative 7. So, paano ito? So, kunin ko muna lahat ng number para mas magets ninyo. 2. Anong number nito? Negative 1. Anong number niyan? Negative 7. So, times natin. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Bring down lang ito, baba. Negative 7. Negative 2 times negative 7, same sign na ang naka-times. That's positive 14. Positive 14. Okay, so this is 14. So, since ginamit ko na yung negative 1, yung n dyan is n na lang. Okay? Tinanggal na yung negative kasi ginamit ko na siya dito. Andito na siya. Ibig sabihin, wala nang negative yung n dito. Kaya siya naging 14. And so we have positive 14 n. And that is now the final answer. So dito, basta master mo yung integer, master mo yung laws of exponents, di ka mawawala. Alright? Especially yung mga signs. Doon lang kasi magkakaroon ng mistake. Yun ang common mistake sa integer. Lalo na dito. Okay? Kaya be careful sa pag-solve. Ayan. So that's for letter C. I hope you are ready for our humor drill because I'm going to give you 2 items to answer. Alright? I'll pause for a while now and I'll get back to you to give the answer. But if you still need time, feel free to pause the video. Your timer starts now. Alright, time's up. So, let's answer letter A. Pattern muna, sabayan niyo sa pattern. A plus B plus C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared plus C squared plus 2AB plus 2AC plus 2BC. Okay, that's the pattern. Congrats sa mga nakasabay kay sir. Sana ito ay sa ulo niyo na. So, let me bring down the given x minus 3y minus 5 squared. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Okay, ipalit natin dito. So, ganito yung pattern, dapat naka-squared yung A. X plus yung B ay naka-squared, that's negative 3y. Okay, that's negative 3y kasi minus siya doon. Plus, ayan, naka-squared din yung C, kaya ganito yung format, negative 5. Tandaan, huwag kakalimutan yung sign dito lang sa specific na special product na ito. Dito lang. Okay? Plus 2 times, ang A is X, tapos ang B is negative 3Y. Plus 2 ulit. Ang A is X, ayan. Ano ang C? Negative 5. Plus 2 ulit. Ang B is negative 3y, ang C is negative 5. Ayan. So, make sure tama ka ng mga negative dyan, positive dyan, dapat tama lahat yon. Okay? Isa-isay natin. So, let's have this one. X squared. That's x times x. Plus mo lang yung exponents, magiging siyang x squared. Kaya x squared ito. Next, yung negative 3y squared, dalawang beses, negative 3y times negative 3y. Negative 3 times negative 3, that is positive 9. When you multiply, same sign, the answer is positive. Y times y, y squared. So we have plus 9y squared. Positive yan, kaya siya plus. Next, Negative 5 squared. So, you have to multiply negative 5 ng dalawang beses. Negative 5 times negative 5. So, when you multiply same sign, the answer is positive. So, we have 25. So, that's positive 25. Next, ito naman. Positive 2 times x times negative 3y. Ito yan, ha? Ayan. So, let's multiply. This is 3. 2 times negative 3, that's negative 6. Okay, x times y, xy. Hindi mo na yan pwede pagsamahin. So, we have negative 6xy. Next, ito naman. So, 2 times x times negative 5. Ito yun. Separate lang natin. 2 times negative 5, that's negative 10 times x. Kaya opposite, ay kaya negative kasi opposite yung naka-times. Yung x walang kinalaman, so kopya lang. That's negative 10x. Next, ito naman, yung huli. Last one. So, we have 2 times negative 3 times negative 5. Sorry, may y pala yun. So, 2 times negative 3, that's negative 6, times negative 5, that is 30. Y. Sir, bakit po 30? Sige, hiwalayin natin. 2, negative 3, negative 5. Ano ang 2 times negative 3? Negative 6. Bibring down ko yung negative 5. Kaya siya naging positive kasi sa dulo, same sign na ang naka-times. Okay? Same sign na to, di ba? Negative 6 times negative 6, the answer is 30. Kaya siya ganyan. Yung y, copyhin mo lang. Kaya siya plus 30y. And that is now the final answer. So, ayan. X squared plus 9y squared plus 25 minus 6xy minus 10x plus 30y. Alright. So, let me know kung nakakuha ka ng tamang sagot for letter A para ma-congratulate kita. Alright. So, let's proceed to letter B. Ayan. Ito may mga exponents na. Sabayan nyo muna si Sir sa pagsulat or pagbasa nitong pattern. A plus B plus C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared plus C squared plus 2AB plus 2AC plus 2BC. That's the pattern. Okay? So, bring down muna. 2x cubed minus 5y squared plus 6z squared. Label. A. This is B. This is C. Okay. So, A squared. Ito yan. So, 2x cubed yung nasa loob kasi siya yung A natin. B squared. Ayan, ito yun. So, that's negative 5y squared. Don't forget the sign. C squared. 6z. Plus, 2, ano ang A natin? 2x cubed. Ano ang B natin? Negative 5y squared. Plus, 2 times 2x cubed times 6z. Sundan nyo lang to. Alright. So, that's for the fifth term. Last term tayo, yung 2 andun pa din. Yung B, papalitan ko ng negative 5y squared. Tapos yung C, papalitan natin ng 6z. Okay? That's it. So, ayan na. Mahaba, pero huwag kayong malilito sa pag-change. Okay? So, let's have it one by one. 2x cubed. Tapos naka-squared siya. So, dalawang 2x cubed ang naka-times. Okay? So, 2 times 2 is 4. X cubed times x cubed, x raised to 6. Plus lang. The exponent. That's 4x raised to 6. Next. Negative 5y squared. Squared. So, dalawang negative 5 na naka-times. I mean, negative 5y squared na naka-times. Negative 5 times negative 5, that's 25 na positive kasi same sign. Y squared times y squared, y raised to 4. So, we have plus 25 y raised to 4. Next, ito naman. 6z squared. Magiging ganito yan. So, 6z times 6z. 6 times 6 is 36. z times z, z squared. So, pa-plus lang yung exponent nun. Plus 36z squared. So, we're done with the first three terms. Sunod tayo dito. 2 is positive, 2x cubed, negative 5y squared. Ito yan kinopy lang natin. Number, 2 times 2 is 4, times negative 5 is negative 20. X cubed ay wala namang pareho sa kayong y squared, so kopyahin mo lang. So, minus 20x cubed y squared. Ito naman, 2 times 2x cubed times 6z. 2 times 2 is 4, times 6 is 24. X cubed ay wala namang pareho. Same with z, so hindi na yan mababago. We have plus 24 x cubed z. Last one, 2 negative 5y squared times 6z. So, 2 times negative 5 is negative 10 times 6, that's negative 16. Yung y squared ay walang pareho dito at wala ding z na same ang base. So, that's negative 60y squared z. Alright, tignan mabuti yung exponents Sana tama kayo dito sa last natin YouMore drill. Alright, banggitin ko yung sagot. Check your answer. 4x raised to 6 plus 25y raised to 4 plus 36z squared minus 20x cubed y squared plus 24x cubed z minus 60y squared z. Alright? So, let me know kung tumama ka dito sa letter B natin para makongratulate kita. Alright? Thank you so much for watching. You've learned a lot today. And I want to see you in our next video. Bye-bye! Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you've learned and enjoyed our topic for today. And if you did, huwag kang aalis na hindi ka nakakapag-subscribe and nakakapag-click ng notification bell. And also, don't you dare forget that you deserve more. You can learn more. And you can be more. #YouMorePH. Bye-bye! See you in our next video.